Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be solving this puzzle called Triangle Quest 2. So it's a second part of Triangle Quest, you can imagine. So same thing, type of thing we can expect here as well. So what is given to us? You are given a positive integer value of capital N, and the task is to print a palindromic triangle of size n. Previously we were printing some triangle, but this time the triangle is of palindromic type. So size is also capital N, not n minus 1. For example, a palindromic triangle of size 5 will look like this. So palindrome means like from left and right, if you will read, it will both look same. So 1 from left side if you will read, or right side, it is same as 1. If you will read 121 from right side or left side, it is same 121 or 121, same. Similarly here as well, 1 2 3 2 1. Similarly 1 2 3 2 1. So from left side or right side, from either side you read, it will be same value, right? That's called palindromic. So you can see size 5 is till 5 it is going, and then it is coming back to 1, right? So you can't take more than 2 lines. The first line for statement is already written to us, and we have to write the print statement, and using anything related to string is not allowed. And similarly more than one for loop will give you 0 score. Okay, so value of n is this, range is this, and you have the example here. Now how I'm gonna approach to this problem? So it's not straight away you won't get the logic. So for that I'll search for palindrome. Okay, palindrome number. So I didn't got the logic initially. So what I did, I searched for palindromic number, then I went inside and I saw some of the details. So where I got the logic is this guy. You can see the square numbered palindromes. Can you see the some of the numbers are flashing here, right? 1, then 121, then 1 2 3 2 1. So you can get the logic that it will be the square of some number, right? Square of some number. So can you see the pattern? This is 1, then this is 11 square, right? And what will be the 1 2 3 2 1 square? Square root of 1 2 3 2 1, square root. So it is something 647. I don't think it's not 647, it is 111. You can see, right? So 11 square is 121, and 111 square is 12321. Let me do that. 111 into 111. So you can see 12321, right? And then similarly it would be square of 1111, right? So let's see 1111. If I'll do, you can see 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Similarly if I'll add one more one here, then 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. So you can see the pattern. So from I went to palindromic page, then I saw that it will be square of some number, and I figured out the pattern of square. So it is like you can see it is 11 to the power 0. This is 11 to the power 2, 11 to the 111 to the power 2, like this it is, right? So it is like getting those numbers 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 like this, and squaring it, right? So this is what we have to do. So first I'll get the values that we have done in the previous example. So I'll take calculate 11, so that 1 1 1 and stuff. So 10 comma I and /9. This is what we done. If I'll print it, you can see 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 like this. Now I just have to take the square of these guys. So what I'll do is, I have this, I'll do comma square every time, and outside I'll do power, and this whole thing we have to print. So we'll get our answer. So you can see 1, 121, 123, 1. Likewise it can go. So even if you'll put n is equal to 9, you'll get the till 9. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1, right? So simple it is. If you have done the previous one, you'll be easily able to decode this one as well. So let's submit it. It is taking too much time. So congratulations, we have earned 20 points. Let's move on to the next problem now.